Brown rice kanji is my favorite comfort food, and with that fried mushrooms. Kya baat hai? So clean the mushrooms, cut it into pieces, add salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Mix it well. If it's dry to coat, then just add 1 2 teaspoon of water. Don't add too much water. After applying spices, don't keep mushrooms for marination for a long time. It will release water. So roll it in semolina, Sooji or rice flour for a gluten-free recipe. Keep all the mushrooms ready, coat it with Sooji. And this is yummy and quick recipe. In a pan, take some oil. I have taken coconut oil. That's my favorite. Put mushroom on it. Fry it on all the sides until they are crispy. Use oil if needed, but this is a shallow fried recipe. You don't need much oil. And this goes well with kanji, with dal rice, with anything, or just like that with chai. So fry it very nicely on all the sides. And your spicy, crispy mushrooms are ready. Let me know in the comment section how did you like it. And have a very blessed day.